Click on the bell icon and subscribe to my channel to stay healthier, wealthier and happier. Hello, Namaste, Vanakkam and Sat Sri Akal guys. How are you? Stock market is a buzzword for some and an investment opportunity for others. After everyone wants to become healthier, wealthier and happier. When you invest in stock markets, you would have to spend on the brokerage charges. Really? In this video, I will share with you how I do stock trading with zero brokerage charges. लेकिन आगे जाने से पहले please subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below on your common sense ideas to becoming healthier, wealthier and happier. Click on the bell icon and subscribe to my channel to stay healthier, wealthier and happier. The first step to growing your wealth is a passion to succeed. I would congratulate you as you have scrambled through multiple web pages, channels and blogs and finally landed on my video. Next step to investing is to know about the stock markets. If you haven't gone through my first video on stock market, then I would strongly recommend you to know the basics of stock market. Click on the I button above or the link in the description. Go to the first video so that you know the basics of stock market. After knowing the basics of stock market, what's next? Yes, it's time to grow your money, start investing. Your entry into the stock market is after you create your trading and demat accounts. There are multiple companies which offer these services. I started my stock journey in 2009 with Share Khan, and then I wanted to also check the brokerage rates of other brokers. I moved on to Reliance Trading in 2011. But still, my concern of having the least brokerage charges was not resolved. I had to shell out brokerage charges for both buy and sell transactions, even when I was not making any profit in some of my transactions. Think about this when you are being charged, say, X amount of rupees for each of your sell and buy transactions. Multiply that by the number of transactions that you would do in a day, in a week, in a month. With that money, you can buy another valuable stock. This prompted me to search for stockbrokers who would have the least brokerage charges or even zero brokerage charges. आगे जाने से पहले, let me share with you that this company is not paying me for making this video. The company which I'm talking about has 30 plus employees around 9 years back. It now has 1,500 plus employees. It now has 1 million plus active users and is the number one stockbroking company in NSE and BSE. This company believes in removing the barriers in investing and hence its name Zerodha. The company charges ₹0 as brokerage charges for delivery transactions and ₹300 as annual maintenance charges. Surprising. Then how does this company operate? What is the operating model of this company and how does it make money? The company makes money from the transactions on futures and options, currency trading, etc. This company spends zero amount of money on marketing and advertising. It believes in the word of mouth marketing. I became a loyal customer of Zerodha from 2012. I've invested the savings from the brokerage charges in some of the wonderful stock ideas. Everything in Zerodha is easy, fast and online. You would require 3 main documents along with 2 passport size photos to start trading. One is your PAN card, the other one is your Aadhaar card. The next and the last one is your bank account statement or a cancelled check. You can click on the I button above in this video or the link in my description to sign up in less than 10 minutes. I don't want you to be apprehensive just like I was before and after signing up. I'll take you through some of their applications, which will give you the confidence to sign up immediately and start investing wisely. Kite is a trading setup. It is an online web-based application where you can buy and sell stocks. Similarly, there is a mobile application which is known as the Kite mobile application. There is a reporting platform wherein you can generate reports, see how your stocks are performing, and also by different dates. You can use the application, just the console reporting application. Then there are other smart applications like Coin, which is an application where you can buy mutual funds directly without any charges. Please use the website link in the description below as well as in the I button above. You will find a detailed walkthrough of the screenshots, be it the sign-up process or the different applications of Zerodha. Take the first step to invest in your dreams. I use this analogy to compare between my prospective wealth decisions and my entertainment expenses. If I can spend around 300 to 400 in a couple of weeks for watching a movie, then I should never be worried about investing 300 in a free brokerage account. Take this first step and sign up for Zerodha today. I hope this video has helped you in making some wise wealth decisions, reducing your brokerage charges, taking it to zero. Please click on the bell icon below. I think you can see the bell icon. Subscribe to my channel and let me know your comments on how this video was helpful in making you healthier, wealthier and happier. Until the next vlog, goodbye. Click on the bell icon and subscribe to my channel to stay healthier, wealthier and happier.